here you go, hold still.
Do a barrel push.
Ready?
Honey, how about your phone?
That was good.
Your phone, yeah.
Mom's videotaping it.
Oh, shit.
Should be safe. Where is my
You're so good at sliding.
That water came out there.
Well, watch out, Dad is gonna slide.
Oh, Merla, you know, remember when the little bird went off? I think I sent it to you.
Oh,
I want to try that. I'm kind of bad at it with all my boots.
Need a longer run.
Wow, Logan.
Alright.
Come on, Julia. Come slide on the
Push,
ice with us.
come on, push me.
Someone.
Yeah, I wonder who you'd like to have with you.
Nah, dude. Oh shit, it's cracking like crazy. Now I'm all warmed up now. Once in a lifetime.
Hey, I'm actually cracking through it.
Logan's all, you guys are ridiculous trying to leave. Terrible idea.
Gotta wait until there's a disaster cracking through and waste.
Crack through first.
Oh, a lot of extra sound over there.
There's a big crack all the way across.
Logan just goes. Thump.
Like 10 feet down.
Don't fall through. Logan, I'm just gonna cut you off right now. Logan, move. Logan, I'm just gonna cut you off.
See, I'm lighter than I look.
Oh,
Oh.
that's a good one.
All right, guys.
Adios.
Let's go, boys.